Hello, Lori. This is Joel Salazar, and here's my reflection for the classroom management plan. I don't know how long it has to be, so I'll try to make it as short as possible, but effective as well. Well, this was a lot of information. There's a lot of information, but very good and effective strategies as far as the procedures on, for example, when there's a substitute, what to leave him, uh, whenever I'm off the phone, how the student answers the phone. So this was a lot of good procedures. Like I said, a lot of good, a lot of information, but it was really good. I want to apologize because my classroom management plan was a little broad and short, but it was only I was supposed to say it only for 5 minutes, but I would make it a large. I would expand it a lot more to be more detailed on what I want the students to do, what are the procedures, and what are my expectations on them. So, like I said, it was a lot of information, but I tried my best to get the main points on this presentation. So hopefully I did that well. I really did enjoy this. I learned new things. I learned, how to make a classroom management plan from kindergarten to high school level. Even though they're different grades, but still a lot of the procedures are the same for all grades, which is really good. I think the only difference is the way one teaches it or demonstrates it. So for me, since I want to teach the middle school and the high school kids, I would use my procedures. And I think my main goal for this one is to have them practice it as much as they can until they know it because sometimes they forget or they lack or they don't take it seriously. So I would really practice these procedures with them so they can understand it on the get-go and I can teach them the material. But it was really good. It was a good eye opener. A lot of the procedures and strategies that Want's book is that he talks about in his book, I use them in my classroom when I substitute, and they're very effective. So really, it does work a lot. For example, when they're loud, I say waterfall. They go shh. So I do that to all of my classes. For the first 5 minutes, that's what we practice. And then every time they see me, they get loud. I'm like waterfall, shh. Things like that. So I really did enjoy this classroom management plan assignment. Like I said, I apologize that the presentation was too short because I had to make it short, but overall it was really great. I want to thank you for teaching me this quarter. Thank you for these assignments. I've learned a lot and I will use everything that I learned from your class and all the classes at Universal Laverne to my students whenever I teach. Thank you so much. Again, thank you for the classroom management plan. I hope I did well, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good day.